Hi everyone! So today I am finishing my unicorn's curly mane. And I'm also heading away this weekend for something really special. So far I've been making the mane. These look so long compared to how they come out once you make them all curly, which, you know, has been a bit tricky with my fingers and my wrists lately because I've been getting, my doctors think it could be carpal tunnel or it could just be my arthritis flaring up because I've been getting tingling and numbness from my wrist into my fingers. So I do have to take regular breaks with doing this because it does get very fiddly, but I think it's coming along really well. I think this will be the last piece and then the mane will all be done. So this is how they come out all curly, which I think is really cool how that happens. So I wanted to make this video today, get the mane finished, because I am going away tonight to Phillip Island. Now I live in Australia, in Victoria, so, you know, from where I am, I think Phillip Island is only about an hour and a half away, but my partner is taking me there to propose. Wow, I am getting engaged. We've actually had this planned for quite a few months. We got the rings, well, mine we had to wait a few weeks for because I have little fingers and they have to make it a lot smaller so it would fit, and I'm really looking forward to actually going and seeing the penguins at the penguin parade. I've always wanted to do that, and now I know it's not guaranteed to see them, but I am hopeful because I love penguins. I should crochet a penguin. Why haven't I done that? Anyway, so I wanted to get the mainly finished today. So I will be finishing the pattern when I get back. Obviously this weekend's going to be very big, so I'm not taking my unicorn. I might take a little project to work on while I'm away, but I'm not taking the unicorn, so I'll be finishing it when we get back. And I will be posting my unicorn pattern on my Patreon when I finish it. My Patreon has two memberships. One that has all my ad-free PDFs on there. That's the Cozy Creators tier. You can get all my free patterns that are on my website as PDF forms. You also get testicles, voting for patterns I make in the future, bonus exclusive patterns. I release a pattern every month that'll eventually move into my pattern collective tier, that is only available in that tier after that 1 month period. So you get early access, and you also get behind the scenes stuff of, you know, making the items, figuring out what I'm doing, stuff like that. So that's what'll be happening when I get back, once the rest of the unicorn is finished again. So this is it so far. I'm hoping just one more purple piece right here will be enough. So you can see that it ended up a bit bigger than I was expecting, but I actually like it. I think my forte is definitely big amigurumi toys. So anyway, I am really looking forward to the final result. I've been wanting to make a unicorn for years, so I hope you are all looking forward to seeing the finished item as well. I'll be showing my final result in my next video, so be sure to keep an eye out for that. I hope you look forward to seeing it all finished and how it comes out. So I hope you have a good day and wish me luck for tomorrow. Bye.